Good morning, YouTube, and Happy New Year. So, starting from today, I will share my experience with you. I will change a bit my videos because, yes, AI is very interesting, but I don't want to make videos only about AI because I think it's useful for you guys to know what I do and I can share my experience with you. I've been doing business since 2018, so it's been a while. I've learned a lot in these years, so that's why I want to share my experience with you. And to do it, since I'm doing a service release at the end of the month, I want to share with you what I do, how I do it, and what tool I use, the process that I've gone through when I release something new. And I'm doing everything myself, so I'm not paying anybody in this specific case, so I can show you how you can replicate this business or how you can replicate this process. And I will do it with zero budget. The only variable here is the YouTube channel that I already have, that I've been making videos on that since 2018. I won't mention on this channel because I don't want the two channels to interfere with each other, but I want to mention the only variable there is the YouTube channel that I will use to promote my services. Of course, this is different if you're starting from scratch, but you can start a YouTube channel yesterday or today, and you can do the same. Once you share whatever you're doing, you can sell your product, you can sell your service, whatever the case might be. One last thing before we start. I won't be making super fast and weird editing on this video. Make the video, cut some things in the video and publish the video because I want to share information. I don't care right now about the special effects and these things like this because to edit those videos takes time. I have to pay someone. It takes a couple of days and I won't be able to post a video a day until I release the service I'm releasing at the end of the month. So if you're here for special effects or cool videos, you're in the wrong place. So starting from today, I'm showing you what I do. Let's start from what I'm selling. So it's a service specifically in Europe. So 90% of my business is overseas. So of course I live in Canada, my company is here, but I have other two companies in Italy and I am opening a new partnership in Poland. Why Poland? Because in Poland there is a marketplace called Allegro. Allegro is like Amazon, but it's in Poland. Amazon is present in Poland, but it doesn't have success because Polish people prefer to buy on Allegro. So that's what we're doing. We are creating a service based on this platform. So with the partners that I have over there, we are selling the service where the customers can buy the service and we can then share the profits with them. So we don't sell a course, we don't sell a dream, we don't sell that specific bullshit. We tell the people we are already doing this business because we are actually selling on Allegro already products. We are more than 250 products as of today. And what we are doing, they pay us to enter in as partners into our business and we share the profits with them. So this is the business model that we want to create. We will call it revenue share. Is something different, something that nobody does because of course all these people that sell courses, they just sell courses, they don't do the business, so they won't be able to create something like this. And this is my key point here because I've always trying to be transparent and upfront with all of my customers, so that's why I'm able to create something like this. So the first thing we decided, we were brainstorming this service, was how we can create something that is appealing to people. And of course, as usual, you can provide 3 different products, so you can get access to 3 different parts of the market. So people with less money, intermediate people, and people with more money. So at the lower end, we will have an AI. I will show you now how I'm creating the AI. Super simple. I don't want to create something complicated because again, I'm doing it myself. I want to show you guys how to keep things simple and still make money. So that's why I'm making these videos. So the AI is a chatbot that has all the knowledge about Allegro because there's nothing about Allegro in Italian. My audience will be Italian audience. And of course, about drop shipping, about e-commerce in general. So this AI is tailor-made for people that want to learn e-commerce, starting from Allegro, going to drop shipping, whatever the case might be. So this is the lower end. We will sell this for 99 euros per month and they will be able to have access as long as they pay the monthly fee. Then we will have the center, so the medium range, and this is the service we actually want to sell the most because this is the one that makes more sense for us, and it's called a revenue share because of course the customer can enter the service, they pay a fee to enter, of course, because we already have everything set up for them, and that's it. After they enter, we manage them with Basecamp. I showed you Basecamp in one of my previous videos. And once they are in Basecamp, we will be able to provide information to them. So they will send us money to buy products. We buy the products with our money, we sell them for them, and once we sell the stock they bought, we gave them their money back plus the commission. So to make it more simple, to explain how it works, they give us, let's say, 1,000 euros. We buy products for 1,000 euros, we sell those products, and we give them 1,000 euros plus the commission that they made on those products. And the higher end, we will sell a done for you store. We put that on a really high price because we want to add something for people that have a lot of money and they want actually to start. But for us, that will be super time consuming because we have to create the store, create infrastructure for the customer. So it will be a bit more complicated for us to create. So that's why we are pricing that specific service a really high price, and we are putting actually the requirement that the customer needs to have a revenue at least 200,000 euros per year in order for us to start working on that project. So as you can see, we have three different price points. So we have the 99 euros, the one in the middle will be around 2,000 to 2,500 euros, and then we will have the high end will be around 10,000 euros, and you need to be able to show that you have at least 200,000 revenue yearly. So this is the overall structure of the business, but I will show you some things already created so you have more information. In the next days, I will show you how I put everything all together. So here, this is the Allegro Academy, and this is the section on the website. As you can see, I did all these courses and I studied everything for me to create the chatbot. And actually what I did, I went on YouTube as well with a tool. There's an AI tool called, let's see, this is a Chrome extension. It's called YouTube Digest. So you can go here on any video, click on the extension. You can select this information here and you can have a summary of the video. And I did that for most of the video that I had on Allegro, because on Allegro they have YouTube videos. So that was useful for me because then I am able to download the information and feed it to the AI. So the tool that I'm using to do this is called Custom GPT. This is one of the first tools that I showed you guys. I'm not using VoiceFlow. I'm not using any of these complex tools because if we are at the beginning and you want to do something, just to have something created and maybe, build on top of that, I would suggest using this Custom GPT. You feed the information. Now I still have to do that because I have the database. As you can see here, for example, I have the dropshipping and Shopify course, but I have to feed it to the AI. And then since my audience is in Italian, this is actually something we will discover together after the next videos. If I'm able to feed the information in English and have the AI reply in Italian. Otherwise, I need to translate everything in Italian and feed that to the AI in Italian. But anyway, this is the overall structure. So I get all the information from Allegro because Allegro specifically has information in English and in Polish. So for people in Italy, they are able to understand what actually the information is. So that was something I'm resolving with, of course, Custom GPT and the AI specifically. This is the AI, so the AI that I will sell. And I'm getting information from YouTube and from the Allegro marketplace specifically. So in the next videos, I will start creating a landing page. I will show you the presentation that I put together and what tool I use to create the presentation. And overall, I will give you the information. So some of these videos will be longer. Some of these videos will be probably 5 minutes total because, maybe that day I didn't do a lot of work and maybe just something related to a strategy or maybe something like that. And at the end of the month, once I release the service, I will show you as well the results. So you can actually, see if something works. If something doesn't work, I will share with you everything. So you can see this and maybe start today with a YouTube channel and in 2-3 years replicate what I'm doing. Or if you already have some specific way to reach people, you can actually make this thing yours and you can do a release as well. So let me know what you think in the comments. Again, I know most of you are here for the AI content. Again, super interesting, but we want to make money as well. So this is the thing that I'm doing for free. I'm sharing everything that I've learned And for me, it wasn't free because I made a lot of mistakes, and mistakes cost money when you're in business. So that's what I want to do. If that's something interesting for you, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss my videos, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video.